Subscribe to our channel. VPN provides you with tools and information to help run your remote business smoothly. Did you get an urgent email from a customer? Now you need an answer from your team member, Sam?
You immediately email Sam, hoping for that magical ping notification in your email with the answer. But you've been waiting a few hours with no confirmation in sight.
There has to be a better way to track him down and avoid the waiting game. Let me introduce Slack. What is Slack? Slack is a communication tool that connects teams instantly. Think of it like an instant text message. Need to directly message a team member or have a group you want to chat with? This is what Slack is best for.
According to techjury.net, the number of people using Slack daily exceeds 10 million.
Slack is well known for good reason. The real-time responses from your teammates can help improve productivity and relationships.
Productive.com has found companies see much greater cross-team collaboration with Slack than other messaging platforms. In fact, more than 90% of companies using Slack have more than 70% of their users engaging in cross-team collaboration.
Now you know all the fun stats? What problems does Slack help solve, and what are the key features? Slack ensures you and your team work harmoniously.
And here's how. Channels. Organize each channel by project, department, or have a channel that's company-wide. Your conversations are also searchable. Slack Connect. There's no need for another medium for communication with Slack Connect. You can link up with your external partners and vendors. Messaging. Communicate one-on-one with anyone in your company. See who's online and whether or not they're available for chat. Huddles and Clips. There truly is no reason for another app to have a video call. Use Huddles for a quick meeting. On top of that, Clips allows you to send a video message or create a product demo, to name a few. Apps and integration. Connect your Slack to your top apps like Asana, Google Drive, and Zoom. Workflow Builder. Are you forgetful? Not to worry, you can automate your workflow with Workflow Builder. File sharing. Sharing files comes in handy when collaborating. You can leave a message with a file to give your team some background.
How do we use Slack? We use most of the features covered above. We love Slack because it gives us the ability to chat with our organization in real time.
Messaging. We often use this for one-on-one conversations with team members, from checking the status on a project to wishing someone a great weekend. This comes in handy when you want to reach them from being in a meeting, sick, on vacation, or even if they're out on lunch.
You can create team channels.
Here at VPM, we have multiple channels to satisfy our many departments, teams, and locations. For example, we include 1 to 3 members in conversations, looping in a team member and a manager. We let each other know if we're going to be late for a meeting, send files, or even just funny memes.
We utilize apps also.
Other than your usual Google Drive, we use water cooler trivia for team building. This weekly game keeps all our locations excited and in communication and topics outside of work. Also, don't forget to sync your Google Calendar with Slack so you can get reminders of your meetings. That also works for working collaboratively with Google Drive and Asana, so you can stay on top of your project and link to others when needed. Other features that help you and your team are small things like your profile. You can include your display name, title, pronunciation through audio clip, time zone, and photo. When you create a new channel, you can add a topic, description of the channel, even leave the channel. You can manage members in the channel for visibility, as well as start a call or huddle. Plus, cool feature, when you're waiting for a huddle, there's nice music.
How much does it cost? Is it worth it?
More statistics from techjury.net show that it is. 3 million people pay to use Slack. And with that, 43% of Fortune 100 business companies pay to use Slack.
I think it's safe to say it is very much worth it. For the most up-to-date prices, check out their website. Does your team use Slack? If not, what do you use? Don't be afraid to comment below. Learn more.